Hi everyone, welcome back to One Day Itinerary, where we answer a very basic question. How do you get the most out of a place if you have only one day to explore? Today, we are creating a live one day itinerary for Paris, the capital city of France, and a global center for art, fashion, gastronomy, and culture. I'll be using ChatGPT for creating this live itinerary, and I'll also be plotting the major landmark on Google Maps so that you get a relative location of this landmark. I'll also show the street view of this location on Google Street View so that you get a better understanding of what to expect when you visit these places. So let's get started. I'll start by opening ChatGPT on my Chrome and ask the AI engine to create a one day itinerary for exploring Paris. So if you are someone who is planning to visit Paris or you're just a curious soul, do stay with me till the end of the video and you'll get to learn a lot of interesting things in a very short duration of time. You'll notice in no time the AI engine starts designing the itinerary and has divided the itinerary into three routines: morning, afternoon, and evening. Our next step is plotting all these landmarks on Google Maps and discover how these places look using Google Street View. So a perfect one day itinerary for Paris starts with visiting the world famous Eiffel Tower in the morning. Enjoy the breathtaking view of Paris from the top. Take a memorable photo and soak in the atmosphere. This is an inside view of the tower. Let me try and get a view from outside. Maybe move down the street a little. Yep, here you go. Seine River passes nearby the tower. Walk along the beautiful Seine River and take a leisurely stroll across Pont Alexander III. So Pont Alexander III is one of the most ornate and picturesque bridge in Paris. Let me show you how it looks. As you can see, the bridge has a separate path for pedestrians and is really beautiful. Alright, the third destination is the famous Louvre Museum. Let me put this on map. So Louvre Museum is home to thousands of art masterpieces, including the Mona Lisa. Explore the museum's highlight or choose a specific area of interest to explore due to time constraints. You'll notice the famous triangle glass entrance, which is shown in a lot of movies. Just beside the museum is the famous Jardin des Tuileries Park. Enjoy a relaxing moment in the park. Stroll through elegant gardens. Let me quickly show you how this park looks using Google Street View. You can perhaps grab a quick bite to eat at one of the nearby cafes. Let me find a picture with the pond, the the famous pond in the park, and the famous bird eye view. Here you go. Well, this sums up our morning routine. The best part of this itinerary, you don't have to cross your path again. This is more of a circular itinerary. So afternoon exploration start with the vibrant neighborhood of Monmouthra. These beautiful lanes are filled with eateries, as you'll notice, these small yellow icons right here. Indulge in a delicious French lunch as a local bistro in Montmartre. Try classic dishes like escargots, koa, or a savory crepe. You can never get tired of walking down these charming streets, which inspired many famous artists like Picasso and Van Gogh. On a short distance is situated the stunning Sacré-Cœur Basilica. You can enjoy a panoramic view of the city from steps. Well, post this beautiful indulgence of senses, next up is Centre Pompidou, which represents the artistic side of Paris. Let me grab the street view of Centre Pompidou for you. Let me also try and show you how this place looks during night hours. And I've read somewhere that nearby street around Pompidou looks really stunning. Let me see and grab a view. Here you go. Stunning, isn't it? Well, from here you can take a short walk to nearby Le Marais district. Again, in the Le Marais district, you can wander through its narrow, picturesque streets. Let me show you the beauty. Here you go. Looks like construction is going on when this photo was taken. On a short distance from here is the historic palace, the place which is known as Palace de Vosges, which is one of the oldest and most beautiful square in Paris. And I'll show you why it is one of the most beautiful. Let me try and get a view of the frontage. Few more click. Oh, here you go. Okay, now we come to our evening routine. Head straight to Ile de la Cité, the historic heart of Paris. Here you can visit Notre Dame Cathedral, which is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Well, as of 2023, the cathedral is under repair work from the fire which destroyed some part of this beautiful cathedral in 2019. This is how it used to look earlier. Let me show you the cathedral from outside. On the left hand side, you can see the cathedral. This is the one, yes. Okay, before telling you what you can do or how you can spend your evening, let me quickly summarize the itinerary for you. To start from the Eiffel Tower and end your evening trip at Notre Dame Cathedral. This is what the map looks like. Starting from left, going in a bigger circle, coming to the right. And post Notre Dame, cross the Seine River and enjoy a relaxing evening cruise. Experience the magic of Paris as you pass by iconic landmarks such as Louvre, Musée d'Orsay, and Notre Dame Cathedral, all beautifully lit up at night. Finish off your day with a delightful dinner at a charming Persian restaurant. Indulge in French cuisine and savor a delicious dessert such as creamy bouillon or a macaron. If you have extra time and energy, you can explore the lively nightlife in the areas like the Latin Quarter or enjoy a karaoke show at the famous Moulin Rouge. And this sums up our perfect one-day itinerary to Paris. See you in another video designing some crazy itinerary for exploring a different city around the globe. Goodbye.